We are here.
Oh, Jesus.
I would just get the news to them shot feet. Jesus Christ. First, Olivia Fitz match up. Olivia gone got the man from his dad.
No, not understand. The man, man look like the civil rights movement.
Right now, the man have a city in Olivia house to make sure such everything. Oh no! That shot fits. Good body fits. Strong body fits. We have 50 and all had the over 38. Bitch, them shot that bitch Millie. Millie, no. You see her girl top the belly and I talk about how she don't want him go. A bad feeling she carry because she knows that she line him up for shot man. She and Dial or whatever they call buck teeth, nasty looking redneck man. The two of them gang up for shot fits. Let me. Me just get over the breakup with me. Me just sit down here and me see the man I look on Olivia on the TV and me I hope to God say they would have reconciled, you know. I know if it's dead, you know. Because I know say that's how my man gone, you know. Me not got to maimed, me not say amputation, me not say skin wound. I straight to if it's dead, you know. If it's dead.
Starboy candidate.
But Emmanuel the Starboy Civil Rights Movement even
Civil rights movement is not Starboy.
Civil Rights Movement. All the little girl queen I want so.
Me just away from Gil Scott Aaron who said the revolution will not be televised every time I'm walking in the room.
All the little dirty girl queen who me used to like, but now me I go start call her Molotov Mistress. Oh, she a try bad up.
Me start quote Langston who's in my mind.
Oh, she a bad up.
Civil rights woman.
Oh, somebody I call you. Go on take your call. Oh, dear, she tried to bad up. She don't. Me just moving right. She don't know that Oak is the number one star of the show. She don't know that Oak is the number one man on the show. Me not even look on Columbo shot. And when you see you have a chang by the black man, I mean, I look on him, you must know say something really hard. She a try bad up me and she a got up war about it. Me and a girl I go have serious. Fitz, if you can hear this, if you are alive, don't go into the light, Fitz. Stay with us. Jesus Christ. Oh my God.